Hey folks, let's do the daily target on CSSBattle.dev. Intriguing shapes, highly regular shapes. I think this is the nested template, and a reminder, the nested template is using the HTML element that's there by default and the body element to create these shapes. So to start with, we're going to get the margins correct to narrow this, the HTML body to be only as big as it needs to be to encompass all the colors that we see. 3, 2. So actually margin 32 is perfect. Then we've got, what have we got? For this today, I'm going to do a repeating conic gradient. And the repeating conic gradient is a variant of the conic gradient and requires 2 color stops. So, and it will repeat until it hits its terminus. So 100% or 360 degrees, however that works. Okay, so we want transparent, 0, 25%, and we want this color, 0, 50%. And that's what that looks like. Now, the center of this, so this is it's a flat conic gradient. So I'm going to add a no repeat to show you what I'm doing. No repeat. And I'm going to make the width 100 pixels. No, actually 200 pixels, I think, and then a height 100 pixels. And now you can't see anything. Oh, because that's not the width. The way I've got it right now, that's the background position, so it's moving it down. And that's not actually what I want. I want it to be in the top corner, and looks like that. So that's what that 200 by 100 looks like. So I would like to match, again, here. So we're too tall. I think we need to be, what, 80? 80 looks right, and I think we need to be wider, 210. 220 looks right. And then we need to set the center of that. The center of that, probably 50 pixels, and the height is like 80, so what, 60 pixels? Oh, and then it's actually, so that's what we got now. I'm gonna undo the repeat, the no repeat, and then we see that this is actually doing what I want it to do. Now by moving the center of this, the at, 8, 9, 100, we get the repeat that we want. So again, that's the repeating conic gradient. I'm going to submit it, make sure we're at 100%, and then we've completed this for today. A tricky day. Rough out there for a lot of people. Good days and bad days, we all have. That's how it goes. We try to do our best. We try to be kind. Let's minify and unit replace and resubmit. And that's the business. A nice, very efficient way to do this particular shape. As you can see, so if it's, on the widths here, so none of these rectangles are the same shape, right? So this rectangle, there's 6 that are that shape, and then this rectangle, there's 2 of them. And then those sizes are different from these, what would be these implicit rectangles. So it's not one where you want to do a lot of elements, which is why I went with the approach that I went with. There would be circumstances under which box shadows and smaller elements would work, but I think I like this solution for this. All right, go forth. Have a good day. Go make a web page. Be good to yourself. Be good to each other.